Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ricardo Ferrise, and today I'm so excited to recreate an iconic look made popular by the 1960s actress Ursula Andress. I can't wait for you to see the final product. So now I have what I section off set. So the reason I put this up here is to clear that hair out of your way because you want to work on the bottom first. So I set these two in a big wide section, slightly diagonally backwards, but down. Not around, you saw how I did it. And then the back down. Alright guys, so the hair is now finally cooled, so I'm ready to drop it. And I'm also ready to now make way for Ursula. She just happens to have the same name. She's going to be resting a little bit back here. What we call this is a fall. And don't be afraid to work with falls. You can get a fall at any hair shop. This one is human hair, so you can curl it and you can do all kinds of things to it. So I prefer human, not even a human hair blend, 100% human. You can do it, spend the money. Or you don't have to, but here we have her and we are about to get started. Now I'm going to attach my fall, and inside is a little comb that you're going to dig into the tease part. And that's why I have this thing section so it stays tight. And then I secure around the fall with some pins. and just kind of push it into what you've teased. Super easy. Now I've got my wiglet popped on, and I'm going to now just brush and blend the rest of my hair that surrounds the wiglet back over it. We start to create that sort of helmet halo. Okay, so now we're at the point where we're pretty much almost done. It's just about which way do we go. You could go a couple ways. See, I have the kind of arc, and we could kind of go over to the side. But I'm gonna kind of pull it all kind of centered. So I'm just draping some of that over there. And that's really kind of the look she sort of had. It was kind of not really parted, just kind of going back. Alright guys, there it is. This is the full look, the Ursula Andress. If you love this look like I do and you want to see a little bit more of how this was created as well as the makeup, tune in and subscribe and you can catch it all.